Welcome to our comparison of the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the 2K HD drone. In today's video, we will dive into the specifications and features of both drones to see how they stack up against each other. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is known for its premium quality and advanced features, while the 2K HD drone offers a budget-friendly option for beginners. We'll look at their camera capabilities, flight times, and unique features to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to image quality, the DJI Mini 4 Pro takes the lead with its 48 megapixels camera, capable of shooting 4K video at 60 frames per second. This drone is designed for those who prioritize high-quality aerial photography and videography. In contrast, the 2K HD drone offers a lower-resolution camera at 2048 by 1152 pixels, which may suffice for casual users, but falls short for those seeking professional-grade images. Therefore, if you are serious about your drone photography, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the clear winner in this category. In terms of flight time, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers an impressive up to 135 minutes of flight time with its 3 intelligent flight batteries, making it ideal for extended aerial sessions. On the other hand, the 2K HD drone provides approximately 15 minutes of flight time per battery, which is significantly less. For users who plan to fly for longer periods without frequent recharging, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is undoubtedly the better option. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is packed with advanced features, including omnidirectional obstacle sensing, active track 360 degrees, and a smart return-to-home function, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. In contrast, the 2K HD drone offers basic functionalities such as 360 degrees flips and gesture selfies, which are fun but lack the sophistication of the Mini 4 Pro's capabilities. If you are looking for a drone that can grow with your skills, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is the superior choice. In conclusion, both the DJI Mini 4 Pro and the 2K HD drone have their strengths and weaknesses. The Mini 4 Pro excels in image quality, flight time, and advanced features, making it a premium choice for serious drone enthusiasts. Meanwhile, the 2K HD drone is an affordable option for beginners looking to explore the world of drones without a hefty investment. We hope this comparison has helped you in making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more drone comparisons.